Jiangsu OUCO Heavy Industry Technology Co. is a high-tech enterprise from China. With independent research and development, design, and manufacture marine cranes, offshore cranes, grabs, dust hopper, spreader, non-standard structural parts, and other products. OUCO Finishing Workshop is equipped with a large gantry 5-sided machining center and several TX6916 CNC boring and milling machines, K6920 CNC floor boring and milling machine, rocker arm drilling machine, XK20730 to 6000 CNC double gantry mobile boring and milling machine. The material cutting workshop is equipped with high 8030 fiber laser cutting machine and gantry type multi-head CNC plasma flame cutting machine. OUCO has a team of welders with an average welding experience of over 10 years. 12 of them are certified by CCS and ABS classification societies. OUCO believes that quality is not a trivial matter. Each welding target has to go through tens of thousands of repeatedly. Sandblasting uses the impact of a high-speed sand flow, the process of cleaning and roughening the surface of the workpiece. The mechanical properties of the workpiece surface are improved. The offshore products of the plant strictly follow the C5M spring standard. Epoxy zinc-rich primer with a thickness of more than or equal to 60 mm, thickness more than or equal to 180 mm intermediate paint, top coat hardness H pencil without scratches. OUCO can design different types of offshore equipment according to the actual needs of customers. Design and customize different types of offshore equipment. Factory products support ABS, CCS, BB, DNV, RMRS, ZC and other major global classification societies certification. At the same time, OUCO has opened up distribution networks in many countries, with an annual production capacity of 11,000 tons of steel structures.